Hey, look at what I got here. It's a D-Link wireless and nano USB adapter. The back of the box mentions about the features of this USB adapter. Let us start the unboxing. Inside the box, you will get the manuals, CD, and the wireless USB adapter. Here is the D-Link wireless and nano USB adapter. This manual consists of the information regarding the warranty and safety. The other manual is to guide you on the setup and configuration. It's really small, compact, and easily fits in your pocket. To install, prepare the CD and insert into the DVD writer of your computer. Click on the install button. Then agree with the end user license agreement. Wait for a while and click on the setup. It's done. Now connect the USB adapter to your computer. As you can see here is installing the driver for the adapter. Well, you can notice that the Ethernet logo has now changed to wireless connection logo. Click on the wireless logo and select the Wi-Fi you would like to use. Type in the required password and you will be connected in a short while. Here, I run a speed test on my internet connection. So this USB adapter works really fine and has no issues. Nonetheless, the USB adapter is measured at only 5 grams. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and unboxing in the future.